Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about the feature management in Dynamics 365 Business Central 2020 Wave 2 release, which is released on October 1st this year. Okay, so it's been over a month past. So if you look at my Business Central and you look at my version, I already have the version 17, which is released on October the 1st. So that's for the Wave 2 release. And I want to talk about the feature management because this enhancement allow you to manage different upcoming features. So that if you look at in this page and it tells you which feature is available, automatically enabled for what time. So this is like Q2 2021. Okay. So it's a second quarter 2021, and this Q4 2021. This is the fourth quarter 2021. So it tells you when this feature will be automatically enabled. So as the administrator of your Business Central, of your company's Business Central, then you can manage if you want to enable the feature now, if you want to have the feature automatically enabled when it's coming to that date. So for example, right now I don't have any of these features enabled, and I know the email capability is an interesting feature, but like it seems like I cannot enable it. It says it's upcoming. So right now you still have to use the SMTP. So this feature is coming soon. We are working on the enhanced email capabilities. For now, you must use SMTP to send email messages. So this email capability enhancement will allow you to use you can run it as a specific. You can call the Outlook of you can call your local Outlook to send an email, or you can use the SMTP, or you can use your Office 365 to send out. So it provides you different options, and you can also send an email from the Business Central itself. So in Business Central, you can see there's a email outbox and email accounts, all these added. Then you can check because right now this feature is not enabled, so you cannot use it. So it just tell you coming soon. But if you do have this enabled, then you're able to, you don't even need to open your Outlook. You can type in the email body in your Business Central and send it out. And you can go to the sent emails to track the emails you sent out from your Business Central. But since this feature, I cannot enable it now. Even it's upcoming, I cannot enable it now. It gives me this error message. Okay, but other features, you can try the other features. So for example, action bar in dialogues. So I can say I want to enable it for all users. Then you see once I select this option, it says enabled. And performance disable integration management and integration record generation. I can enable this feature as well. And so this email capability, I cannot enable it. But for the other features, and there's a reversible feature, like if you select all users, but it tells you once you enable it, then it cannot be reversed anymore. Then so let's see this one. After you enable this feature for all users, you cannot turn it off again. This is because the feature may include changes to our data and may initiate an upgrade of some database tables as soon as you enable it. We strongly recommend that you first enable and test this feature on a sandbox environment that has a copy of production data before doing this on production environment. For detailed information about the impact of enabling this feature, you should choose no and use the learn more link. Are you sure you want to enable this feature? So yes, if you click on yes, then you cannot reverse it anymore after this feature is enabled. So this is our test environment anyway, so I'm just gonna enable this feature, okay? And when you enable this feature, then you could see I accept the data update. So when you do this, so at the same time when you enable this feature, it's gonna update the data in this environment. So if you use item cross references data from cross-reference number field will be copied to a new item reference number field. If you use intercompany data from the IC partner reference field for item cross-reference, will be moved to new IC item reference number field. So then you have to turn on accept the data update, then click on next, and then the data update task will be running in the current session. Then you can turn on run in background session, okay? And then you don't need to update the data immediately. It can be scheduled. So let's say we want to schedule it happened. So today's date November the 12th, and I can schedule it to happen tonight, right? Okay, so this is the current time. I just say okay, so do it at 11 o'clock tonight. Now I can schedule the data to be updated. So if you click on run immediately, then it's going to update the data immediately. So we can just schedule it because we don't want to update now. Okay, so check financial journals in background. And so we can enable this feature as well. And conversion templates to convert contacts to vendors and employees. Then we can enable this feature. And this one will also, you see, when you enable this feature, then it give you this pop-up box. So it's also, when you see this pop-up box to tell you like once you enable it, you cannot disable it. So this is a irreversible features. Like once you enable, you cannot reverse it anymore. It has to keep enabled. You cannot disable it anymore, okay? So that's just select no for now. I don't want to enable that. Then bank reconciliation improvements. Then we can enable this, okay? So yeah, okay. So let's enable this as well because this is a testing environment anyway. So we have everything enabled. And then so for the details of these features, I will have another YouTube video to discuss all the application enhancements for the Wave 2 release 2020. But in this video, I just want to talk about like for the feature management, you have as the administrator of your Business Central, you have the capability to enable some features, some upcoming features now to use them instead of have Microsoft automatically enable those features for you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.